Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you on how to do the knockout with the updated Cricut Design Space. So to start out, you're going to just type out mom if you're going to use the word mom. And the font that I am using is the Cricut Sans, and it should already be the original font once you begin to type your text in. So now I'm just resizing it to the size that I would like it to be. So next you're going to type in the names of whoever that you want to type in, and the font that we're using for this is I Love Glitter. This font can be found on thefont.com, and that is DAFONT.com. After you have typed the names in, what you want to do is resize it, and then as you can see there are gaps in between the letters, so you're going to go up to where it says letter space and decrease it so that the letters are connected. For PC users, after you have made the correct size and adjustments, your next step would be to pause at this screen, open your start menu and search snipping tool. Once you have that tool pulled up, you are going to just select the name and then save it to your computer. After you have saved the name to your computer, what you want to do is upload it to Cricut Design Space as a normal image. For MacBook users, you would just click continue and then send to printer, and then you are going to turn on use system dialog. You also want to leave on add bleed and click print. Once you have clicked print, it will pull up this screen, and then you're going to go down to the bottom left corner where it says PDF, click the drop down box, and then your next step would be to open in preview. Next, you want to make sure the image is zoomed out so that you can see every part of the names, and then you're going to pull up your screenshot tool and just take a screen capture of the names. The next thing you want to do is upload the image into Cricut Design Space just as you would a normal image. Next, you're just going to remove that white background, and then you want to be sure to save it as a cut image and not a print and cut. You would then select the image and click insert. Once it has been inserted, your next step is to resize the names as the same size as the original. To make this easier for you, you want to change one of the two to a different color so you will be able to see the contrast of them. You can also make size adjustments by using the toolbar where it says size and entering in the same dimensions as the original. Your next step is to click and drag the copy of the names and center it on the word mom. To be sure that it is perfectly centered, you want to select the entire image, and then in the top of your toolbar you will see a line, and then drop the menu bar down and click center. Next, you want to be sure that the entire image is selected, and then you will click slice. The next step is to delete all of the excess images that have been sliced and replace it with the original name. The next step will be to select the entire image and click Group. At this point, you are free to resize the image to fit the correct size of the shirt that you are going to make. And that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next upload.